The world is changing. Work is no longer tied to a physical office. We are now witnessing the rise of the digital nomad. Digital nomads use technology to work remotely, traveling and exploring while earning a living. This lifestyle is about freedom, flexibility, and experiencing new cultures. Imagine waking up on a beach in Bali, laptop in hand. Picture yourself exploring ancient ruins in Peru, then settling into a cozy cafe to answer emails. This is the reality for many digital nomads. They have broken free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind. The digital nomad lifestyle is becoming increasingly popular. The rise of remote work opportunities has led many to seek a life less ordinary. No longer tied down by commutes and office politics, digital nomads are free to explore the world. But it's not all sunshine and exotic locales. The digital nomad life requires discipline, adaptability, and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. It's about embracing the unknown, navigating challenges, and finding joy in the journey. Are you ready to answer the call of the open road? The first step to becoming a digital nomad is simple: make the decision. It's about choosing freedom and flexibility over the confines of a traditional job. It's about prioritizing experiences and personal growth over material possessions. It's about saying yes to adventure. Assess your skills and identify remote work opportunities. Are you a writer, a graphic designer, a programmer, a virtual assistant? The possibilities are endless in today's digital landscape. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. With careful planning and a thirst for adventure, you can turn your dream of becoming a digital nomad into a reality. The world is waiting. Finding remote work is like unlocking a treasure chest of possibilities. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect businesses with skilled freelancers worldwide. Whether you're a writer, a web developer, or a virtual assistant, there's a market for your talents online. Don't underestimate the power of your network. Reach out to your contacts, let them know you're seeking remote work opportunities, and tap into the hidden job market. Networking can open doors you didn't even know existed. Consider becoming a digital marketing specialist. Businesses are constantly seeking individuals who can navigate the ever-evolving world of social media, SEO, and online advertising. With the right skills, you can manage marketing campaigns from anywhere in the world. Teaching English as a foreign language, TFL, is another fantastic option for digital nomads. Platforms like italki and Verbling allow you to connect with students worldwide and earn money while sharing your language skills. The world is your classroom. As a digital nomad, your office can be anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection. Imagine working from a beachside cafe in Thailand, a bustling co-working space in Berlin, or a cozy mountain cabin in Nepal. The possibilities are limitless. The key to productivity on the road is creating a dedicated workspace, even if it's temporary. Find a quiet corner in your hostel, set up shop in a local coffee shop, or invest in a portable laptop stand to create an ergonomic workstation. Noise-canceling headphones are a must-have for any digital nomad. They can block out distractions and help you focus, whether you're working in a crowded cafe or on a noisy train. Create a playlist that enhances your focus and drowns out the outside world. Remember to take breaks and move your body. Working remotely doesn't mean being glued to your laptop all day. Get up, stretch, go for a walk, and explore your surroundings. A change of scenery can do wonders for your productivity. Section 5. The Art of Flow, Staying Focused Amidst Wanderlust. Staying focused while traveling can be challenging, especially when adventure beckons at every turn. The key is to find a balance between work and exploration. Set clear work hours and stick to them, even when you'd rather be hiking a mountain or lounging on the beach. Time management is crucial. Prioritize your tasks, break down large projects into smaller, more manageable chunks, and use productivity tools like Trello or Asana to stay organized. Minimize distractions. Turn off social media notifications, silence your phone, and let your friends and family know your work hours. When you're in the zone, eliminate anything that might pull you away from your tasks. Reward yourself for a job well done. Completed a big project? Treat yourself to a delicious meal, a scenic hike, or an afternoon exploring a new city. Celebrating your accomplishments will keep you motivated and prevent burnout. Section 6. Balancing act, work, travel, and everything in between. The allure of the digital nomad lifestyle lies in its promise of freedom and adventure. However, achieving a harmonious balance between work and travel is an art form in itself. It requires mindfulness, discipline, and a willingness to adapt. One effective strategy is to designate specific workdays and travel days. For instance, you could dedicate Monday through Thursday to work, leaving Friday through Sunday for exploring your surroundings. This structured approach ensures both productivity and adventure. Another key is to embrace spontaneity while maintaining a sense of routine. Don't be afraid to deviate from your schedule if a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity arises. Flexibility is part of the nomad's charm. Remember, the goal is to create a lifestyle that fuels your soul, not drains it. If you find yourself constantly burning the midnight oil or feeling overwhelmed, it's time to reassess and make adjustments. Your well-being is paramount. Section 7. The Backpack Essentials, Tech Gear for the Modern Nomad. Packing light is an art form for any traveler, but for digital nomads, it's essential. Your tech gear is your lifeline to the online world, so choosing the right equipment is crucial for seamless productivity on the go. First and foremost, invest in a reliable laptop. Look for a lightweight yet powerful machine with a long battery life. Consider factors like screen size, processing power, and storage capacity based on your specific work needs. A portable Wi-Fi hotspot is a must-have for staying connected in even the most remote locations. Look for a device with global coverage and a long battery life to ensure uninterrupted internet access. Don't underestimate the importance of a good pair of noise-canceling headphones. They are essential for blocking out distractions and creating a focused work environment, whether you're in a bustling cafe or on a noisy airplane. Section 8. Home is where you park it. Finding accommodation on the go. For digital nomads, finding the perfect accommodation is like discovering a hidden gem. It's about more than just a place to sleep. It's about finding a space that inspires creativity, fosters connection, and feels like a home away from home. Short-term rental platforms like Airbnb and VRBO have revolutionized the way digital nomads find accommodation. From cozy apartments to stylish lofts, these platforms offer a wide range of options to suit every budget and preference. Co-living spaces are another popular choice, especially for those seeking a sense of community. These shared living spaces offer private rooms or apartments along with communal areas, providing opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Consider house-sitting for locals, volunteering at hostels in exchange for free accommodation, or even renting a camper van for ultimate freedom and flexibility. Section 9. The million-dollar question, budgeting for the nomad life. One of the most common questions aspiring digital nomads have is, how much does it actually cost? The truth is, the cost of living as a digital nomad varies greatly depending on your chosen destinations, travel style, and spending habits. Southeast Asia is renowned for its affordability, making it a popular choice for budget-conscious nomads. Countries like Thailand, Vietnam, and Indonesia offer a low cost of living without compromising on experiences. Europe can be more expensive, especially in popular cities like London, Paris, and Rome. However, exploring Eastern Europe or opting for less touristy destinations can significantly reduce costs. The key is to create a realistic budget that aligns with your income and spending habits. Track your expenses, leverage travel hacking strategies to score cheap flights and accommodation, and embrace a minimalist mindset to prioritize experiences over material possessions. Section 10. Inspiration on the road, stories of digital nomads living the dream. The digital nomad community is brimming with inspiring individuals who have embraced this unconventional lifestyle and created lives filled with purpose, adventure, and freedom. Their stories serve as a testament to the transformative power of remote work and travel. Meet Alex, a freelance writer who traded his cubicle for a life of travel. He now spends his days crafting compelling content from cafes around the world, sharing his adventures and inspiring others to pursue their passions. Then there's Sarah, a graphic designer who turned her passion for photography into a thriving online business. She now travels the world capturing breathtaking images, proving that work and passion can coexist harmoniously. These stories are just a glimpse into the diverse and vibrant community of digital nomads. From entrepreneurs to artists, writers to programmers, individuals from all walks of life are embracing this lifestyle and redefining what it means to work and live. Section 11. Take the leap. Is the digital nomad life for you? The digital nomad lifestyle is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a conscious choice that requires careful consideration, a willingness to embrace uncertainty, and a thirst for adventure. So, how do you know if it's the right path for you? Ask yourself, are you comfortable with change and uncertainty? Do you thrive in environments that challenge you to step outside your comfort zone? Are you passionate about exploring new cultures and broadening your horizons? If you answered yes to these questions, the digital nomad lifestyle might be your calling. It's not always easy, but the rewards are immeasurable. Imagine waking up every day in a new location, setting your own hours, and having the freedom to design a life that aligns with your values and aspirations. The world is waiting to be explored. The only question is, are you ready to take the leap?